Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 28th September 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is inheritance. So we have discussed about the inheritance before we are going to the OOPS concept. So what is the OOPS concept? So OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. It deals with read or entity by using programming language. So we can use the OOPS concepts. So there are various types of properties and features we are using the OOPS concepts, like first of all objects, second upon class, third upon inheritance, then abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphisms. So it is the various types of features and properties we can use the OOPS concepts in Java. So first of all, we have discussed about the objects. So what is the objects? So object, it consists of the various types of properties and tasks to be performed, like we have take the examples. It's a human body. So human bodies, there are various types of properties, like human color, human height, and human names. So it is we can using the tasks to be performed, like write, read, write. So it is the known as the objects. So objects are including in OOPS concepts. And then second of one, class. So class, it consists of various types of objects are using in Java. So we have take the example of the student object. Student object, it means there are various types of properties are including in students. So student name, student roll number, and student date of joinings. So we can use the tasks to be performed by using the tasks to be performed, so write, read, and play. So it is the class. So we have discussed about the inheritance. So what is mean by inheritance? So inheritance, it means we can creating this, suppose first class, in first class name is it is a parent class, and second class we can use the we can creating the second class, and your second class name is a child class. So in that scenario, child class to one class to so in that scenario we are taking the example as per compare, and as taking the example as regarding to inheritance, and we can explain about the inheritance process. So in that time, child class to all extend the properties from the parent class. So it means we can extend all properties from one class to another class. So it is the concept of inheritance. So we have the another example of inheritance. So it is the we are creating the class name is the dog, and then we have the second class, creating the second class, your second class name is the animals. So animals are so in that scenario, animals class are extend all properties from dog class, and your all the properties from the dog class. So there are various types of inheritance we can use the in Java. So first of all, single inheritance and simple inheritance, and second upon multi-level inheritance, third upon multiple inheritance, and fourth upon hybrid inheritance, and last upon hierarchical inheritance. So we have discussed about the various types of inheritance one by one. First of all, single inheritance or simple inheritance. So simple inheritance, it means we can creating the class, one class is a super class, and second class is a subclass. So we are using the single inheritance to extend the all properties from super class to subclass. So we have take the example about the single inheritance. First of all, we can take the we have create the class name is a parent class, and second class we are creating the second class, your second class name is a child class. So child class, it is a your super class, your the subclass, and parent class, it is a your the super class. So in that scenario, child class have to extend all properties from the parent class. So it is the simple inheritance. And then second upon, we can use the multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance, it means we can use the we can create the one superclass and two subclass. So we can use the multi-level inheritance. We have created the class name is a, and we have create the class second name is a b, and we are creating the class third name is a class c. So class a is extend class, we are using this class a is a super class, and class b and class c is a your subclass. So in that scenario, class b and class c to extend all properties from the class a. So we can use the in that scenario we can use the multi-level inheritance. And then next upon, The next of one, hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance, it means we can use the two we can use the one super class and various types of subclasses. So in that inheritance we can use the all the properties, extend all the properties from the two superclasses from the two subclasses from the one superclass. So we can use the hybrid inheritance in Java. And the next one, multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance is does not support in Java. Because of multiple inheritance we can creating the we can creating the two superclasses and one subclasses. So in that scenario, suppose we are asking the some various types of properties from superclasses, superclasses from the subclass. So in that scenario, subclasses these are confusing creating, because of which types of superclasses are asking to the various types of properties and to transfer to properties from the one class to another class. In that scenario, we are creating the confusion, and in that confusion process is technical what it is we are creating the ambiguity condition are creating in that scenario. So it is so therefore we cannot use the multiple inheritance in Java. So next upon hybrid inheritance. So hybrid inheritance is do not support in Java. Because of hybrid inheritance is the combination of any two inheritance. Suppose we have take the inheritance first, multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. So we can creating the hybrid inheritance. So we are creating the two super classes and one subclasses, and then next of one two subclasses and one super classes. So it is the hybrid inheritance. So hybrid inheritance does not support in Java. So there are various types of properties we can see in this video. First of all, simple inheritance, second multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid and hierarchical inheritance. So it is the inheritance in Java. So it is all over about the inheritance in Java. Thank you so much.